Hey guys, it's Rick from Rick's Outdoor Adventures, and I've got a 2014 900 XP, and there's some slack in the throttle cable, and I'm going to show you how to adjust it. Here's what I was talking about, the slack. You can see the throttle cable right here. It's loose. I've got a gap between the little grommet and the plastic here, and I need to make that difference up as I push the paddle. Nothing, it's normal here to have this much, but notice I'm still going down with the paddle until it actually makes contact with the cable itself. So it's back here in the back where the adjustment is. Back here in the back of the engine is where the adjustment is made, just above the exhaust pipe. I'm going to remove this breather hose just to make it a little easier for the video and a little easier to adjust. I've already took the cover off the back of the bed. As like I said before, this doesn't have to be done, but it just makes it easier. Looks like somebody's already had it off before. All it is the air box breather tube. Okay. Now we've got, here's the little boot that goes over the two nuts. We're going to take that off. I'm going to take just a normal pair of pliers and just pinch that hose connector and just take it up to the top there. Now to clamp off the hose, we'll take a screwdriver. Just gently pry it up like that and just push it out of the way. Pretty tight in here. Okay, it exposes the adjusting nut. There and there, you got two of them. The tools you'll need to adjust this is a 14mm, which goes on the bottom nut, and a 12mm. We're going to loosen the bottom nut counterclockwise. Alright, once we loosen that, you'll hold the bottom nut in place and you'll adjust the top with the 12mm. And since we're wanting to take up slack, we're going to go counterclockwise. It's sort of hard to get to. Help if this machine was a little cleaner. You can see I'm starting to get a gap between the two. Now I'm going to go to the front and check it. I went to the front and I still have a little bit more adjustment to go. She is real close now. I'm going to go one more turn. Alright, let's go front and look at it. You don't have to take the floorboard out. I had it out to replace the U-joints. All three was bad in this one, so I've not put it in yet. Okay, we're looking at the throttle cable now, and that slack is made up quite nicely. Very little slack left, so that's the way I want to. So that's the way I'm going to leave it. It could be adjusted just a little more, but I think that's pretty good. That will work. Now with the slack all taken up, we're going to tighten down these nuts. This time you will hold the top and you'll go clockwise and lock this bottom nut in place. Now we're going to slide the boot back down. That's another reason to take that top plate off the bed, just to get this boot out of the way. Now it won't fit completely over it now because I have taken quite a bit of slack up on it. But it'll still keep the mud out of it. With the boot in place, we're going to put the clamp back on. Now with the boot in place, we're going to tuck this breather tube back up in there. And that's how you properly adjust the throttle cable on a 900 XP. And if this video helps somebody, leave me a comment below and a like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.